Hi, welcome back to Motor Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. We've got to be quick on this one because we're currently having a set of wheels and tyres changed over and their compressor is loud. Jay's already done a bit of B-roll of this car this morning. It's nice to see a bit of a transformation. Car with the silver and grey parts still on the front kidney grills and mirrors, 18-inch wheels, and now look at it, absolutely amazing. Customer on this one has actually gone for the carbon look Maxton kit. Not always the biggest fan of that sort of stuff. We've done it on an i8 before, it looked pretty good onto that, but against the black, it works really, really well. I was a bit unsure, but fair play to the customer for doing that. Does tie in quite nicely with these Remus exhausts as well. So front to back, complete black pack, BMW M Performance parts, 1800i lower sort of canards, genuine BMW, bumper off to fit them the best way. Maxton front, sides, M4 caps, springs, 30mm front, 25mm rear. Our wheel, massively popular. We're 4 days into doing them, and I think we've done 8 or 9 sets. So unfortunately, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all that sort of stuff. You're going to see abundance of them for a very short time, which is all good for us. Back of the car, Maxton diffuser, Remus race exhaust. You know, this is such a popular conversion, but look at it. You've seen the befores and now the afterwards. What would be really interesting to hear from you is how would you spec yours? Now we're getting these individual colours in. I think a Nardo grey one is coming up from Tony at the end of September. Nardo grey red leather. I think there's also a green one. How would you spec your M135i now with a few more colours, some of the purples and the blues, etc. So first of all, let us know what you think of this one. Do you like the modifications? Do you think the wheels work well with the car? And let us know how you would spec yours. Thanks a lot.